A day in my life as a Filipino nurse living in Australia. Hello everyone, I'm Michelle. This was last Sunday. So I got up early to go to the gym and I passed by this vendor setting up their market stall. So we have a street market here every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and Sunday. I'm heading to the gym and as you can see, there's loads of restaurants just below the gym. It's just grabe. After a heavy workout, you go out and then you smell this amazing aroma from pizza, Japanese barbecue, and Korean barbecue. Mauna jud ni giingon na willpower. Going to the gym here to test my physical strength and mental strength. So far, I didn't stop for pizza. So I did Pilates this time. I love Pilates. I've been doing Pilates for many years. So happy. And the trainer was fantastic. And then I head to the mall to grab some liquors because I was so excited that my friends will finally visit me. So they're a Filipino couple and they came from hometown. Plus, we've been friends since high school. Imagine. So when I arrived home, I just made my protein smoothie. I had a banana, so I put banana, strawberry, Greek yogurt, 2 scoops of my protein powder, water, and ice. So what I normally do if strawberries are in season or any berry, I buy them fresh, I don't wash them, I put them in the freezer. And when it's time to make a smoothie, I use the frozen berries, wash them up before I put it in the smoothie. And then I use my NutriBullet and just blitz it until it's good to go. I usually take this after a gym workout. I love it. So going back to my friends. So you know those friends that you don't usually meet, but whenever you meet, it feels like the time never passed. And a shout out to them. I stayed with them when I visited Sydney 2 years ago. And then I prepared for my friends to arrive. I made meat and cheese platter. And then we got some crisps. We have wines and beers. It was a lovely day in the balcony and we enjoyed the sunset together. I'm looking for the birds that comes to this balcony. Kanang sa una manglibak mo karon mga investments naman ang chikahon. So I was so happy meeting them. It was really a lovely Sunday and I went home. Thanks for watching.